Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do some plotting using Matplotlib. Uh, Basically, the plots that we're going to do is a line graph and also a bar graph. Okay, the data that we're going to use is a stock price data. Okay, so first of all, let's start this project by activating the Jupyter Notebook. If you haven't installed the Jupyter Notebook, please do so in your Python installation. So I'm going to do this by using screen in Linux, but you can just type in here in your installation. Okay, so now the Jupyter Notebook is activated. Let's do some new Python 3 notebook. Okay, I will put the title here. Let's say 01 underscore line and bar graph. Okay, and then first let's import some necessary libraries in Python. First, we import pandas as PD. We import numpy as np, and then we import matplotlib pyplot as plt. This will be our number one library for plotting. And then let's modify these parameters of matplotlib, because it seems that the font in this one is very small, so I'm not going to use this, but instead let's do some bigger one. Okay, let's do some 14. Okay, we enter that one. Okay, there's an error, rc params. Okay, next we're going to use some data, so you can download the data in the Philippine Stock Exchange. You just type it here, and then let's use some stock data. The stock that I'm going to use is GMA7. Put it here. It's a multimedia company. It is currently having aired in analog channels and digital channels. Okay, it's a TV company. So we're going to go here in historical data and download it here. Okay, so I have already downloaded the file. So the file is already renamed as stock.csv. So I'm just going to load it here. So I'm going to create a data frame called stock, and I'm going to read a CSV file called stock.csv. Okay, and I will issue some parameters. Okay, the first parameter is the index column. I'm going to use the time as an index. Okay, I'm going to parse the dates for the time. Okay, now let's check it out. So here it is now. So we have the open, the high, and the low, and the close prices, and the average for the day, and the volume, as well as the value of the traded. The value is in the Philippine pesos. Okay, so let's plus this one. First, let's do some uh, let's initiate this. So plot that figure. Okay, and the figure size is equal to, let's say, 20 by 10. Okay, and then we got plot that show. So it doesn't show anything yet. Okay, we add a subplot on that figure. So let's rename it at AB is equal to fig that add subplot. Okay, and I'm planning to do some 2 rows and 1 column. So it's 2 rows, 1 column, and the index of this plot is 1. Okay, and I'm going to add another plot. I'm going to call this as AD is equal to fig add subplot 2 1, and the index is 2, meaning it will be the last one in the second row. So this will be the AB plot, and this one will be the AD plot. Okay, the AB plot will be a line graph. Okay, so we're going to supply this AB dot plot, and the x-axis for that one is the index of this data frame, so stock dot index, and the y-axis will be the closing prices. Okay, and let's do some formatting. So I'm just going to format it like that and label it as closing prices. Okay, and we plot it again, we enter it. So here it is now, the plot, and this is the time. Next, let's show the label ab.legend, and let's put it in the location upper left corner. So this will be in this location here, and we enter it again. So now it is there. If you want to change the color, you just need to put the color parameters here. So I'm already satisfied with this color here. So next we're going to do a bar plot. So we're going to add AD will be our bar plot. So we're just going to do AD dot bar. Okay, and the x-axis is stock dot index, the y-axis is stock volume. Okay, and let's make the color is equal to green. So here is the bar plot. We just need to put in some labels. Okay, so in the AB, let's put some labels here. AB that set X label, and let's try to put it as days. Okay, and AB that set Y label, and let's put it at stock price in PHP. Okay, so here it is now. For the bar graph, we're going to put AB that set X label as days, and AD that set Y label as volume, or the number of shares. Okay, and I'm going to put also a legend here. So AD that legend, and the location is in the upper left portion. There's no labels found. Okay, so let's put some label is equal to volume. Okay, now it already has the volume here. Okay, I think that will be fine. Let's now add some title. Plot that title, call it GMA7. Okay, the plot is showing it here, so let's put it in above. Put this one above. Okay, here, plot that title GMA7. Okay, so now it's already in the above here, and the days. Okay, so hope you find this video informative, and hope you learn a lot on how to plot these graphs. So thank you for watching, and see you in my next video. Okay, bye.